What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
Oh, I left the doctor's and I'm rushing to get my baby inside. I drove off and just started about to rush to work. And next thing you know, I'm like, where's my phone? And then I'm looking all over my bag, looking all over the car, looking in his car seat, picking him up. And then I'm like, I think it fell off the car. So then, next thing you know, I turn the car around and lo and behold, I see it in the middle of the street. And I'm just watching 5 cars just drive over it and just one by one. I said, you gotta take me to this man. I have to go. He can fix it. He's the only one. I have to go. And now I'm here.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
Do you really want to know the truth? No, it's not working. I put the new screen, but it's not.
It's not?
No, it was bad. You damaged the main board. Sorry, I tried.
No.
Yeah, it was bad. You see, like the screen, the back.
Wait.
It's not working.
The main?
Mm-hmm.
That's what happened last time?
Yeah. And you're gonna lose all the pictures inside the phone.
No, not my baby.
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh.
Everything. Because when the main board is damaged, you cannot save it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I wish I would give you good news, but
No, you playing? Don't play with me.
I'm not.
No. Everything.
Your phone is ready, miss.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, my baby!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I want to cry! Oh my god!
It's working?
Oh my gosh! Good. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! You did all the money in the world. Oh my gosh! I cannot. Oh my gosh! Okay. Okay, it's working. Oh my gosh! I could go to work. Okay. Oh my gosh! My emotions. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm too gullible for this. Oh my god!
You relieved now?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, no
Oh my! Oh my gosh! I need to breathe. I'm stressing right now. Oh my gosh!
What did you think?
Oh my gosh!
You thought it was done?
Yeah, I was like, cause I remember last time it was done for. I said no, they don't tell me. Like, I need my phone. Oh my gosh, okay. This is my baby pictures all.
Yeah, everything. That's why you need to be careful.
Oh my God.